This is a modern wheat harvester, a machine designed to transform the hard work of harvesting into a fast, precise, and nearly fully automated process. With just one operator, this machine moves across vast wheat fields, cutting, threshing, separating grains, and collecting straw all in a single pass. It processes tons of wheat in a short amount of time with impressive accuracy and minimal loss. Inside, it houses an advanced combination of mechanical and electronic systems, from high-speed cutting blades and powerful threshing drums to smart grain separation filters. Many modern models are equipped with GPS, moisture sensors, and yield tracking software, allowing farmers to monitor performance in real time. Gone are the days when dozens of people had to harvest under the scorching sun. Now, a single machine can replace an entire harvesting crew. It not only saves time and labor, but also helps preserve grain quality, increase productivity, and reduce overall costs. In this era of high-tech agriculture, machines like this are no longer a luxury. They're becoming essential tools in the field. This is how wheat is harvested in the 21st century: fast, efficient, precise, and intelligent.